Hello and welcome to the live analysis right here from Value Flow Trading Floor. My name is CJ and I'm going to be walking you through our live analysis and commentary for today, the 28th of July 2023. We're going to be running the market session for we're going to be running on the market session for the London Open right to the London close. Okay, so we're going to be running the new London session analysis with you guys. So we're going to be analyzing GBPUSD and also the benchmark asset for the dollar. Okay, so during this analysis, we're going to be showing you the trades that we've taken right here from our floor this morning, and we're going to also show you our running trades, which are running currently in profit. Okay, and we're going to run you through the analysis, the commentary, what to expect for the rest of today, and going into next week, what to also expect. So we're going to be running you through our top-down analysis for Great British Pound versus the dollar. Okay, so sit tight and enjoy the rest of the commentary and analysis. So we're going to be looking at GBPUSD. That is the asset that we've chosen to run our analysis on, GBPUSD. Looking at it right from the weekly time frame, we can see that GBPUSD is still bullish on the weekly time frame. All right, so looking at it this way, this is the weekly time frame. You can see how bullish it is even on this weekly time frame. Okay, so we see that price has retraced, or price retraced actually to 61.8 levels of the last push up or the last expansion to the upside. All right, that happened about 3 weeks ago. The expansion that happened to the upside, we've seen a retracement, decent retracement to a 61.8 level, which signified that the price should be ready for a buy continuation. Hence the reason why we took buys right from Monday, Tuesday, even up to Wednesday. If you look at the daily time frame, you can see the evidence of those buys from late Monday, that was around close of New York session on Monday, to Tuesday and to Wednesday, we took our buys. But something happened on Wednesday, on Thursday, that was yesterday. All right, so price took out the structure and it validated the buy structure, which we were expecting to continue trading. Okay, so when the news came out around 1:30 p.m. GMT plus one, that was the news for the US GDP. The news came out yesterday and gave about 200 pips to the downside. Can you imagine? 200 pips to the downside. That invalidated our structure. We weren't able to take part in that meal because price didn't get to our point of interest necessarily. It got to one of the point of interest, which is 1.29888. As you can see, it marked right here, 1.29888. Okay, so the second point of interest was this rectangle that is highlighted around here, around 1.30 levels. 1.301 levels was the second point of interest. So we expected price to get there before selling off, but we were out of the trade when price got to 1.29888 and we weren't able to take ourselves to the downside. That would have been enough meat for the season. All right, that would have even been the whole bakery instead of looking for crumbs. That would have been the main bakery. So the reason why we were looking at that was what we call consequent encroachment. If you're part of our students, then you will know that we have taught you that concept already. So to be part of our students, then all you need to do is to sign up for the FX bootcamp. We have currently a 30% discount going on and it's going to close in 2 days' time. By Sunday midnight, that discount is going to close and the price is going to revert to the original price. So do well to sign up in time and get that discount, a 30% discount on our FX Bootcamp course, which is currently running. All right, so if you take part in that discount, you should be able to be enrolled within now and Monday. So do well to ensure that you enroll for the FX Bootcamp. Okay, now they also receive daily analysis and live commentary, even trade markups like this every morning. We give that to our students. That's what we promised them, and we're delivering on that. So far, we've not defaulted, and we're doing so well on that. You can see it on our various testimonials on our various social media handles. But that's not the main meat for today. All right, so we're talking about our GBPUSD trade that we took this morning, which I'm going to be showing you shortly. One more thing, you should also know that we have a group called the Trade Live with VFT. It's a community of traders who we also trade alongside with our traders on the floor. We have 6 professional and seasoned traders right here on the floor, and we have a group of people who trade live with us. All you need to do is to make sure you have a minimum of $100. You're not paying us anything, it's totally free. You need to have a minimum of $100 in your trading account before you can join that group. And the broker that we prefer is EQ Markets Global. The link is right there in the description. Click on it, get signed up, fund your account with $100, and then you get access to the group. There's no profit split. Every profit you make, it's totally yours. It's yours completely. We're not taking anything. That is what we're giving back to the society. All right. So now back to the chart analysis. Now we can see that there's been an expansion to the downside, right? And we're expecting a retracement back to this level that I marked right here. I'm going to go back to a lower time frame and show you the analysis for those levels that we've marked and show you why we expect price to get there. Okay, so this expansion to the downside should give us somewhat of retracement after it has taken out liquidity to the left hand side. It has taken out the lows of 3 days, that is the lows of even the week, right? So we potentially have seen the low of the week forming right here, the low of this week right here. Okay, where this black line is, that is potentially the low of the week. We've seen the high of the week already. This is potentially the low of the week. So all we need to be taking is buy retracement. Already this morning we've caught a 30 pips buy retracement, and we're looking to go in again on another buy when our setup unfolds in the market. Okay, so going forward, we're going to be looking for more buys. Now let's go to a much lower time frame so that we can see reasons for some of these markups that we've made here. Okay, now after this sell retracement, after this sell swing to the downside, giving us the expansion, we watched for price to take out the low, right? This low right here. The moment price took out that low, we know that price was setting up for a buy. Okay, so quickly I'll go down to the 5 minutes and the 3 minutes which we used to enter that trade to show you how and why we entered the trade. Okay, so as simple as you know it, you know price action and you know candlestick formation. This is what we call the morning star, right? So we're not paying much attention to that. That's not what we're teaching today. We're just showing you the morning star. So after price took out this range, okay, after price has taken out this range, we call it the Asian range or the AR. Well, after price took out the AR, we expected some bullish push back to the upside to cover at least a 30 pips move. So price gave us this morning star candle right here. And when price retraced back into it, right around here, where I'm marking, where my mouse pointer is, the moment price got into there, we took our trade. And it was around the 30 pips trade. Now, see it if I mark it, give us more than 30 pips. Okay, now since this is around 34, but we exited at 30 pips. Okay, we exited at 30 pips. We did a 1:3 trade, 10 pips stop loss, 30 pips take profits, and we're out of the market. Now we're expecting price to also come back right to somewhere around here. Right, this highlighted region is very clear and evident on the 15 minutes time frame. Zoom out. Okay, so these are the potential places we're expecting price to come to. The first point is right here at 1.27 triple 1.27881, right? 1.27881. We're expecting price to get there. That is one of the places we're expecting price to go to. Another place we're expecting price to get to is this order block marked right here, 15 minutes order block marked right here. In the middle of it, we have 1.27800. That is our second point of interest. And the fourth point of interest is right here where price is trading off. Okay, this mitigation block right here. Okay, So we're expecting price to move up from this current place. So these are 3 points of interest. Currently, we should have price trading away from this place where it's currently trading from this um, rectangle that I just drew right here, the highlighted rectangle. The second point of interest is this horizontal line right here, the highlighted horizontal line. And the third point of interest is the horizontal line on the downside. Sorry, the rectangle on the downside, which is clearly highlighted here. Okay, so these are 3 points of interest. And where are we looking to take out this trade from? We're looking to continue taking buys up until the following places I'm going to mark shortly. So already price is in a mitigation block on the 4-hour time frame. So we don't know, anything can happen right here. I'll tell you the truth. I'm not telling you that I know everything that must happen in the market. I do not own the market. I only try to take as little share that I can, or as much share, yes, as much share I can from the market. Okay. So one of the places we're expecting price to trade away from is this current horizontal line, sorry, this current rectangle. I keep calling rectangle horizontal line, pardon me please. So this current rectangle right here, the highlighted rectangle, I expect price to trade into it and continue its sell. Or if price is going to be even stronger, we expect it to trade all the way into this place. Why do I want to see price trading there? If you look at the Fibonacci retracement of this expansion to the downside, we can see that this level captures 38.2 levels, and the second level captures between 50 and 61.82. These are the places I'm looking at getting buys from. Okay, filling up this fair value gap and trading right here. And then ultimately, if price is going to return to origin, that's what some people call RTO, then we'll be looking at this 4-hour order block right up here. Okay, so currently for day trading, we are looking at buys. For swing trading, we're already in ourselves. So for day trading, we are looking at buys all the way up here. Okay, we're looking at buys all the way up here to these places that I've highlighted. So currently price is buying. All right, so if you are in a buy position, then look at these positions that I've marked out to exit your trades. All right, and then be in the sales zone. Most of our students that we started this analysis with earlier should be looking at their buy trades. If they are not in the buy, then they should be looking at getting buy trades from these positions that we've called out. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. If it was, leave a like, a share, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for updates like this. And we're going to be seeing you next week. When this trade play out, definitely we're going to give a call. Let me give a path to this schematic that we've drawn. One is this, and the second is this. Right, so these are our two schematics. You can take screenshots of this. Feel free to take screenshots of this. Don't forget, if you want to be part of our students, you should enroll for the FX bootcamp. Discount is closing in 2 days time. Okay, so send a DM to the WhatsApp number on the description. Send a DM to the WhatsApp number on the description right there, and you'll be attended to ASAP. Okay, and if you don't want to enroll for the training yet, maybe you feel you want to try out the market and see how it goes, you can fund your account with $100. We're not taking any profit split from any profit you make off any of our analysis. Fund your account with $100 and use our preferred broker, EQ Markets Global. The link is right there in the description. Sign up, fund your account, and trade live with VFT. Until we see you again next week, I wish you good luck and good trading. Cheers and God bless, guys. Remember, apply risk management.